Hi everyone, welcome to this easy step-by-step tutorial. This called half double crochet stitch, and this is stitch perfect for beginners. It is simple, quick and great for making a scarf, blanket and anything. I'm using soft medium weight yarn and 4mm hook. Let's get started. First you need to make a slip knot. Just like this, and insert your hook and tie it up. I'm going to make 20 chains. Wrap your yarn and pull through. Wrap your yarn, pull up the yarn. This is my third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep doing this until you reach 20 stitches. If you want to make this bigger, increase the number of chain, and I'll see you there. From here, I am going to escape 2 chain from the hook, and I am going to make my first double crochet into the 3rd chain. Wrap your yarn and insert your hook into the 3rd chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook and pull up the yarn. Now you have 3 chain on your hook. 1, 2, 3. And yarn over. Pull through the yarn through that 3 loop. This is your first half double crochet. I'm going to make my second one. Yarn over. Insert your hook. Yarn over. Pull up the yarn. Now you have 3 chain on your hook. Yarn over. Pull through that 3 loop together. This is your second one. 1, 2. Let's do the third one. Yarn over. Insert your hook. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over. Pull through that 3 loops on your hook. This is your third one. Keep doing the same pattern until you reach the end. I'll see you there and I'll show you how to turn your work. This is the last stitch. Wrap your yarn and insert, and now you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops together, and this is how it looks like once you done your first row. Make a chain 2, 1, 2, and turn your work. From now on, we are working on our last row. From the hook, this here, the third chain, we are not counting that 2 chain. Is yarn over. Can you see here? And insert your hook and pull through the 3 loops together. This is your first one. Yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain. Yarn over, pull up the 3 stitches together. Keep doing the same pattern until you reach the end. This is my last chain. Right here. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up all the 3 yarns together. Once you finish the row, always chain 2, then turn your work. This brings you up to the next row and keep your edges straight. Then just keep doing your half double crochets, 1 stitch in each space. Check your time and do slowly. It's totally okay, undo and try it again. With a little practice, you will get the hang of it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more easy crochet tutorial. Happy crocheting!